You've been dreaming of replacing your drab kitchen cabinets or outdated bathroom, and now you're finally going to do it. But how will your home renovation unfold? Here are some major steps you can expect. No matter what part of the house you're renovating, you need to start with a plan. Create your wish list to decide what you'd like to tackle. One important element of that plan: your budget. Decide how much you can comfortably spend and then budget for the project, including a buffer of 10 to 20% for any unexpected costs. As you plan your project, you may want to contact your insurance agent to help make sure you have the right amount of coverage in place, both for the construction process and any increase in your home's value after the renovation. Next is a major decision. Who will be your contractor? Do your research to select someone you're comfortable with. Once you choose a contractor, make sure you get signed contracts defining the scope of work and process. Before work begins, be sure your contractor checks your municipality's regulations and secures any necessary permits. Once that's handled, you'll work with your contractor to select and order materials. Here's where it gets real: demolition time. Depending on your project, your contractor may remove walls and install new windows and doors. This is also when plumbers, electricians, and other subcontractors work behind your walls, below floors, and above ceilings. Once the heavy lifting is done, it's time to paint. Some contractors may paint before installing flooring to avoid spills. Others may install the flooring first. It depends on their preferences and schedules. By now, you're nearing the finish line. It's time to install cabinets, light fixtures, hardware, and any other features that will complete your new space. Then you can kick back, relax, and enjoy your revamped home.